In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table to your Wix website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're running a blog, an online store, or a portfolio, tables are a fantastic way to organize data, present product comparisons, or simply keep your website neat and tidy. Let's dive right into the steps to seamlessly incorporate a table into your Wix site. First, you'll want to log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your site's dashboard, which is your central hub for managing everything related to your website. Take a moment to familiarize yourself if it's been a while since your last visit, as Wix frequently updates its interface with new features. Next, you'll click on Design Site. This will direct you to the place where all the creative magic happens. It's where you transform your ideas into a visual reality on your website. Following that, proceed to your Wix website editor. If you're already familiar with this, you'll know it's an intuitive drag-and-drop platform where you can see how your edits will appear in real time. Once you're in the editor, cast your gaze to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a tool panel. Look for the plus icon here. Clicking on this icon will open the Add panel. The Add panel is the gateway to enhancing your site with various elements like text, images, and of course, tables. Within the Add panel, search for the Lists section. The Lists section is where you can access pre-made structures to easily compile and display information. Click on Lists to explore the options available. Now that you're in the Lists section, it's time to select Tables. You'll find a variety of table designs to choose from, each offering a unique layout that can complement different types of content. Feel free to browse through the design options, but if you prefer to start from scratch, you also have the option to drag and drop a blank table onto your page. This flexibility allows you to tailor the table to fit precisely with the rest of your site's design and your content needs. After placing the table, it's crucial to see how it looks in action. To do this, click on Preview. This lets you view your site as if you were a visitor, providing an opportunity to ensure everything appears just as you envisioned. Once you're satisfied with how your table is integrated and displayed, go ahead and click Publish. Publishing your changes makes them live and visible to everyone visiting your site. And there you have it. In a few simple steps, you've successfully added a table to your Wix website. Remember, tables are a powerful tool in web design, helping to make your content more accessible and structured. Thanks for joining along, and stay tuned for more quick and helpful web design tips.